You can set up automatic reinvestment of dividends and capital gains in Fidelity. Log into Fidelity. Select the Account and Trade option, then scroll down to Account Features. On the Brokerage and Trading, select Dividends and Capital Gains and click the green Manage button. Here you will see all your accounts and securities listed. There are two columns, dividends and capital gains. You can check if they are being deposited into your core account or reinvested. To make changes, select Update under Action. In my stock account for this AT&T stock, dividends and capital gains are currently deposited into my core account. I want to change that. To do this, select the Reinvest in Security option. Notice you have only one selection for both the dividends and capital gains. You will see an option to apply this setting to all equity positions currently held in this account. Check that box if you want all positions to use the same reinvestment setting. The second checkbox allows you to apply the same reinvestment option for future equity purchases, transfers, and deposits. Once you have made your selection, click the Update button. For mutual funds, you have more flexibility. You can choose to reinvest dividends, capital gains, or both into the same security or the core account. And sometimes you also have the option to reinvest the dividends and capital gains into other mutual funds listed in that account. The two checkboxes below work the same way as they do for stocks. Thanks so much for watching.